How to activate Navi Federal Credit Card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to activate Navi Credit Card online. So without further ado, let's begin. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the search bar. You need to simply type in Activate Navi Federal Credit Card and press enter on your keyboard. Here you need to scroll down and click on the first link that says Navi Federal Credit Union. Activate my card. Then after that you will see the text box next to the card number. You simply need to enter your credit card number and then tap on the continue button. After that you need to enter the expiration date, month of the year and month and the year and your three-digit security code. Then you need to tap continue and follow on the screen prompts. Once you do this, your Navi Federal credit card will be activated. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.